Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw Tether USDT from your Ledger Nano X to Crypto.com in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely, especially with all the updates and enhancements coming in the crypto space. This step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly and safely, assuming you're already set up with a Ledger Nano X and a Crypto.com account. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your Ledger Nano X is fully updated. In 2025, Ledger might have new security features, so open the Ledger Live app on your computer or mobile device and connect your device via USB. Once connected, unlock your Ledger with your PIN for added security. Next, in Ledger Live, navigate to the Accounts section and select your Tether wallet. You'll see your USDT balance there. Before we proceed, double-check that you have the correct recipient address from Crypto.com. Head over to your Crypto.com app, go to your wallet, and copy the USDT deposit address. Always verify it's for the right network, like Tron or Ethereum, depending on what Crypto.com supports in 2025. Now, back in Ledger Live, hit the Send button for your Tether wallet. Paste the Crypto.com address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and review the transaction details carefully. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so triple-check everything to avoid any costly mistakes. Once you're confident, confirm the transaction on your Ledger device by approving it on the screen. After you approve it, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. In 2025, with faster networks, this might only take a few minutes, but keep an eye on fees. They could vary based on network congestion. Once it's confirmed, hop back to Crypto.com and refresh your wallet to see your Tether arrive. A quick tip: always use hardware wallets like Ledger for storage to protect against hacks, and never share your seed phrase. That's it for this guide. If you follow these steps, you'll have your Tether transferred smoothly. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.